Hello, my name is Jeff Rosen, owner of Rosen Nissan Milwaukee and Rosen Kia Milwaukee. Thank you so much for your vehicle inquiry. We're honored that you would consider Rosen Nissan and Rosen Kia Milwaukee to help meet your vehicle needs during these unprecedented times. I want you to know that the safety of our guests and associates is our number one concern. For more information on how we're keeping safe, you can read about our sanitizing and health protocols under our COVID-19 updates page on our website. Our showroom is still currently open with modified hours using these strict updated procedures. Our goal is to assist you and make this the easiest, most convenient, and most importantly, safest car buying process you've ever experienced. Did you know that we've arranged to complete almost all of this transaction without you ever coming to the dealership? And if you prefer, we can even bring the vehicle to you. If you've submitted your vehicle request during regular business hours, you can expect a professional response very soon. If your request was submitted outside our normal business hours, expect a professional response the next business day. Meanwhile, feel free to check out our rosennissan.com and kiamilwaukee.com website. There you can explore our new and pre-owned inventory, service specials, About Us page, our staff page, as well as our community involvement here at Rosen. Once again, we appreciate you and your interest in Rosen. Stay safe and healthy. Thank you.